Larsen's Memorials, installing veteran headstone for Hisakichi Ohashi, probably the first Japanese man buried in Manitoba, and it's a wheel of righteousness on the headstone, meaning he is Buddhist. This is Dave with Larsen.
Up and out again! This way, stop!
Can't be out even a millimeter.
Up!
That is geotextile there. We have a very, very specific requirement from Veterans Affairs and how the foundations have to be put in. And there has to be so much gravel, it has to be wrapped in geotech. Then that base is all standard. You got a standard length for the headstone. There's the very, very thick regulation book on installing veterans headstones.
Okay.
And that is Hisakichi Ohashi.